Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on the Thermomix TM31 potentiometer warranty and repair process. In this video, we'll guide you through diagnosing and resolving common issues with this essential component. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this repair. 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A multimeter for testing electrical connections. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. A small brush for debris removal. Now, let's begin the process. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure your safety during the repair. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is removed, gently pull it away to expose the internal components. Take a moment here to inspect for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice any debris, use the small brush to carefully clean the area. This will help prevent any potential malfunctions in the future. Now, focus on the potentiometer. It's usually located near the control panel. Check the connections to ensure they are secure. Using the multimeter, test the potentiometer for continuity. If it shows no continuity, it may need to be replaced. If you're uncertain about handling this repair yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can provide expert assistance to ensure your Thermomix TM31 is functioning correctly. Now, if you decide to proceed with the repair, carefully disconnect the potentiometer by removing the screws that hold it in place. It's crucial to take note of how the wires are connected, so consider taking a picture for reference. Once you have removed the faulty potentiometer, replace it with a new one. If you don't have the tools or the experience, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process seamless for you. After replacing the potentiometer, reassemble the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Before plugging it back in, give the interior a final cleaning with a soft cloth to ensure there's no dust or debris left behind. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test the new potentiometer to ensure it is functioning correctly. If everything is working as expected, you're all set. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember, we provide quotes before repair, allowing you to understand any costs involved up front. With our services, you won't need to make any calls or travel, we handle everything for you. Thank you for following this tutorial on repairing the Thermomix TM31 potentiometer. We hope this guide has been helpful in restoring your appliance to its full potential. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.